and often bringing in cloud. Now, London clearly is one of those places that has the afternoon sunshine. I'll show you more in just a second. But we should be looking forward to something like this, a swirl of cloud coming in from the Atlantic to bring us spring. We are not, because that cloud up there is stuck underneath the anticyclone of Scandinavia. So our winds are coming in from the east, and that lot will not move. As a result, we're stuck in it, unfortunately. The wind being an easterly or eventually a northerly is cold. The cloud just keeps piling in. There's a permanent frost over the hills of Scotland and northern England, as Pennine Blue, for example. But here's the sunshine, and it makes such a difference, of course, being March. You get from 5 degrees in the cloud and an onshore breeze in Norfolk to something like 9-ish in London. Now, admittedly, it's still going to feel cold in that breeze, and the sunshine is no longer promised. In fact, if you're in Devon, Somerset or South Wales now or this afternoon, the chances are the cloud will be bringing a bit of rain with it. Mind you, it was snow this morning in Leeds, at least that has gone. Dismal day in a good part of Northern Ireland, a bit of brightness maybe. The easterly wind, of course, brings more of the same for all of us as today closes and tonight comes in. So watch the holes in the cloud still there. A widespread frost, not especially hard, typically freezing plus or minus 1. But you might notice this white stuff here, little sprinkles of snow. It's not deep snow that will excite the children and you can sled down a hill on, unfortunately. It's more a bit of a nuisance, to be honest. So 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, it could be anywhere. It looks more frightening than it will be. It's just going to be there, blowing in the breeze, or a bit wet on the ground and dismal, slushy. Temperatures around about freezing means there might be a touch of ice problem. I think the chances are that it has salted the roads. By the time we get to late morning, Northern Ireland will see more of this stuff coming into the southeast corner. It will be later in the day before it gets beyond eastern England. So Wales and the southwest of England will start with a bit of sunshine and crunchy ground at about -1 and a hoarfrost. So this is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, easterly breeze, an awful lot of thick cloud and temperatures hovering around freezing. Just what you might expect in the middle of March. Anyway, Thursday continues in much the same vein. Much of the sunshine disappears from Wales and the southwest corner. Outbreaks of